Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So, if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I do have 3 stocks in my watch list today, ticker PLTR being my primary watch. The stock is gapping up pre-market with over 3 million shares traded. I do have support levels identified around 24.75, 24.60, 24.45 and 24.32. The next one that I'm watching today is ticker XPEV. I have traded XPEV for the last 2 days, and last 2 days I was green on this stock. I do have support levels identified on this stock as well. And the next one that I'm watching today is ticker CAN. CAN is also gapping up pre-market with close to around 2 million shares traded, and I do have support levels identified for the stock as well. Apart from these 3 stocks, I'm also watching ticker NEO. It's a little on the pricey side, but it's a setup that I like. I'll keep it on watch. I'm also watching ticker BTBT. The only thing that I'm concerned on BTBT is lack of volume, but I'll keep it on watch. So that's the plan. We do have around 5 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market is open. I'm in at 31.80. My next order is 30.75. 75 shares. I was a little late. Maybe I have to pay the price for that. I'm exiting half. I'm out. That was a bad fill. I'm out of the trade, just like that. Not a great trade, because I could have taken that 150 shares all at once, but it is what it is. I should have held that 75 shares. I panicked a bit. I did not get my second ad as well, so I'm a little annoyed by the fact that I missed out my second ad between the cup and the lip. I had my order around 30.75 and the low was 30.78. Done is done, so I'll move on. PLTR giving a pullback, 100 shares, probably I'll get it here. 25.4. Again, I think I was late canceling. I missed it. Now I'll look for 24.82 and 24.65 if it wants to give me an entry. Just placing the order out there. Probably I'll not get my entries. XPEV looks interesting. If it wants to give me an entry around 30.84, I'll take it. Just changing to 100 shares for now. Then my next entry would be around 30.52 or 55, I would say. It should break $31 for me to get my entry. The low was 30.91. It was 5 cents away. Not something that I wanted to see. Canceling the order for now because it's sell off since market open, so I'm not trusting that stock any longer. I was a little afraid to pull the trigger on XPEV, seeing this massive sell off. I should have trusted my support level. On BTBT, I'm interested in around 17.72. Yeah, that would be my entry point. Maybe I'll not get fill here, but I'll stick firm to my entry price. If it breaks 17.80, maybe I'll get my entry. I'm sitting at 17.72. I'm in on 150 shares. My next ad would be around 17.35. Make it 38. I'll sell 75. The ask is at 17.94. I'll give it some more time. It should try to retest $18. That's my expectation. I just got 5 shares out of 75. I don't like partial fills. One more push and maybe I'll get out. Not sure why I'm not getting filled here. I could see fills at 17.98 and I'm sitting at 17.94. Yep, I'm out. Now I'm left with just 75 shares. One more push please and then I'm out. Just selling. Yep, I got out at 18.24. That was a stressful trade, but I think I executed it well. I think that would be it from me for today. Took 2 trades, 2 winners. I'll be happy with it. On the day making $100, I have no reasons to complain. I'll take it and I'll move on. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.